Before we dive in, I want to remind you about our exciting $250 giveaway for 4 lucky subscribers once we hit 10,000 subs. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment for your chance to win. Let's break down how you can earn $100 a day using AI tools, even if you're starting from scratch. First up is AI-powered faceless content. This method is perfect for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes. You can use ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Once you have your script, head over to v.io or Opus Clip to edit your videos. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. You can even use 11 Labs for AI-generated voiceovers. Many creators are pulling in anywhere from $300 to $1,000 a month with simple channels. Imagine creating content without ever stepping in front of the camera. Next, let's talk about AI digital services. Platforms like Fiverr and Gumroad are gold mines for offering your skills. You can provide services such as YouTube title and description optimization using ChatGPT. This is a game changer for creators looking to boost their visibility. You can also create automated Notion dashboards or design AI-enhanced presentation decks using gamma.app. These services are straightforward to set up and can lead to recurring orders, giving you a steady stream of income. Now on to method number 3, micro-automations with AI agents. Tools like Notion AI or Agent GPT allow you to create small automations that can save time for busy entrepreneurs. Think about setting up daily email responders, social media post generators, or CRM note summarizers. You can offer these as setup services to solopreneurs or small business owners who are looking to streamline their processes. The beauty of this method is that you can charge for your expertise while helping others optimize their workflows. And here's a bonus tip. Consider combining these methods to scale your income even faster. For instance, you could create faceless content while also offering digital services, maximizing your earning potential. It's 2025, and AI has made it easier than ever to generate income online. With just a few tools and some creativity, you can start making money today. And don't forget about our $250 giveaway. Subscribe, like, and comment for your chance to win.